I'm excited to bring you this video review of the Software Oasis course titled Ship Your MVP This Week, Rapid Prototyping with Replit for Non-Technical Founders. Together, we'll explore why this course is a must-have for aspiring founders and how it can help you turn your startup idea into a reality in just 7 days. If you're ready to take the first step toward building your MVP, you can start the course for free using the link below this video. Let's start with a challenge many non-technical founders face: overcomplicating the prototyping process. It's easy to get stuck in analysis paralysis, wasting time and money on unnecessary features or overly complex tools. But what if I told you that with Replit, you could launch your MVP in under a week at 40% lower costs? That's exactly what this course empowers you to do. The course kicks off by debunking the MVP myth. You'll learn why most founders overthink prototyping and how simplifying the process can save you time, money, and frustration. Rapid prototyping is all about reducing risk by validating your ideas faster. Imagine compressing months of traditional development into just 1 week. This approach not only accelerates your timeline, but also ensures you're building something your users actually want. Next, the course takes you inside the rapid prototyping blueprint. Replit's pre-built templates, no-code tools, and easy deployment make it accessible for anyone, even if you've never written a line of code before. You'll see how each module in this course builds on the last, guiding you step by step toward creating a functional prototype. One founder even launched their prototype in just 5 days and secured their first investor within 2 weeks. That could be your story too. Now let's talk about the roadmap. The course is structured into actionable phases: idea validation, user-centric design, building functionality, testing, and finally, demo day. Each day has clearly defined milestones to keep you on track. For example, on day 1, you'll define your core features. By days 3 through 5, you'll be building functionality using Replit's intuitive tools, and by day 7, you'll have a working prototype ready to pitch to customers or investors. It's that simple. Throughout the program, you'll gain valuable insights into turning ideas into actionable prototypes, creating user-centric designs without writing code, and building functional MVPs that solve real problems. You'll also learn how to validate your MVP through user feedback and iterate quickly based on what works and what doesn't. Plus, the course goes beyond prototyping to help you plan for scaling and future-proofing your startup. What sets this course apart is its focus on practicality. You won't just learn concepts, you'll apply them immediately through hands-on exercises and projects tailored for non-technical founders. By the end of the week, you'll not only have a functional prototype, but also a clear path forward for growing your idea into a scalable business. The modules are designed with precision to guide you through every step of the journey. In Module 1, you'll learn how to transform your raw ideas into actionable prototypes by focusing on solving real problems for your target audience. Module 2 teaches rapid design techniques so you can create user-centric experiences without needing any coding expertise. Module 3 is where things get exciting. You'll build out functional prototypes using Replit's powerful tools. Module 4 focuses on validating your MVP by gathering actionable feedback from users and iterating quickly based on their input. But it doesn't stop there. Module 5 helps you plan for scaling beyond your prototype so that you're ready for growth when the time comes. And finally, Module 6 equips you with long-term strategies to future-proof your startup against evolving challenges in the market. So why wait? If you've been sitting on an idea but don't know where to start or feel held back by technical barriers, this is your chance to take action. Start building your MVP this week with Ship Your MVP This Week, Rapid Prototyping with Replit for Non-Technical Founders. Click the link below to enroll for free today. By joining this course, you're not just learning, you're building momentum toward launching something impactful. Imagine where you could be 7 days from now, pitching a functional prototype to investors or customers with confidence because you validated it every step of the way. Don't let fear or complexity hold you back any longer. Take control of your entrepreneurial journey today and start building something amazing. Click below to get started now.